Hello guys, this is Rakesh Sharma. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second video of Jira Software. So in this video we will see how Jira work and what is the basic architecture of Jira Software. So in this diagram you can see there are many steps to get the wrap of project. First one is the project configuration. So what is project configuration? So before going to start any project, so first of all what we need to do, we need to create the account and how many developer will work on this project and how many manager will work on this project, who QA tester will work on this project. So every rollback functionality, I mean we have to configure rollback functionality, like two developer will work on that issue and two developer will work on that issue. So we will define the multiple things on this project configuration. So this responsibility going for the team manager, team lead. So, and second thing here, plan a version. It means we can define the plan, we can define the release time estimation, and also we can I mean how many developer will work on this project. So this is the basic configuration, and we can also define the version, like we have to work on this version and we have to complete all tasks with time estimation. And second thing here, in the third part you can see plan sprint. In this sprint we will see in practical way in the next tutorial, but this is the very important, this architecture is very important to get knowledge about Jira Software, how work Jira Software. Okay, so in the plan sprint, in this sprint there are many things, like suppose that let's take an example. One developer is working on the login page. Okay, so after complete the login page, developer can change the status, like complete, open and close. So once complete the status, once complete the issue, and it will redirect to QA, it will go to QA system, I mean QA tester. लेट्स से एग्जांपल इन सिंपल वे, अगर मैंने कोई टास्क किया, कोई भी डेवलपर कोई टास्क किया, तो अगर वो टास्क कंप्लीट है या फिर वो कंप्लीट अभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया है, वो ओपन स्टेज में है, सो हम वहाँ से ट्रैकिंग कर सकते हैं. अगर वो कंप्लीट हो गया है तो कंप्लीट होने के बाद क्यूए टीम के पास नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा और उस नोटिफिकेशन से वो ट्रैक करेगा. बेसिकली दिस सर्किल इज गोइंग ऑन लाइक time tracking and time management. Once complete the status and it will run a sprint and it will end sprint. So this cycle is a very important thing. And fourth one is the release version. We can mention the release version, like release 1, 2, 3, how much time it release 1 will take, how much time release 2 will take. So this is the simple way, and this is the very basic architecture of Jira Software. So in next video we will see in the practical way how to Jira work and how to create the project configuration, product configuration. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video, thanks.